Hey guys, this is me, Mamta Sachdeva once again with all of you and अभी मैं मॉल आई हुई थी यहाँ अबू धाबी में एक और नील नितिन मुकेश बिल्कुल मेरे सामने खड़ा है. So let's go and say hello to him. Oh my God, he's just there. That's my son and that's Neel Nitin Mukesh. I really like him. So yeah, I just came for a walk. Hi. Hello. Hi. Is Neel Nitin Mukesh? Hello. Hi, how are you? Yeah, good to see you. I'm like, some people are standing here. Hey. I have somebody here with me, so few words maybe. Just anything you would like to say. My name is Mamta and I'm a blogger.
Well, I was privileged to have bumped into Mamta. I'm at the Yas Mall right now. We just finished shooting for Saho. We just wrapped up the day's shoot and I came here. My wife wanted some stuff, so I needed to come and pick something up, and I met Mamta, and I'm glad that we bumped into each other. I met her great husband the other day at a lovely restaurant called PF Chang, and yeah, so it's nice. It's a pleasure meeting you, Mamta.
Thank you. So the women and the wives are always, behind men. Nowhere it's an actor, they always ask you for a list of things, to
Yes, of course.
get always.
Yeah, right.
That's really great to know. Anyway, nice meeting you. Really
Yeah,
lovely.
thank you.
Welcome to Abu Dhabi and you
Ramadan
enjoy the
Mubarak,
Arabian.
yeah.
Ramadan Mubarak to you too. Thank you, Neil. Thank you. Enjoy your time. Neil. And also said hello to Neil. So that was a little meet with Neil. He's lovely, yeah. He's really nice. जितने कैमरा पे अच्छे दिखते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखते हैं. So I think he's here to get some stuff for his wife. And yeah, मैंने उनको थोड़ा छेड़ा है कि वाइफ हमेशा चीज़ें मांगती रहती है. I don't know. मैं थोड़ा सा हार्ट बीट्स मेरे ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. So thank you. See you. So I think he's gonna be here for a while. And I was lucky. I was just here. So come beta. This time मैं बोल नहीं पाई, so I was saying just it was really nice meeting Neil. मैंने उनके साथ फोटो खींची, बातें की, and I think he's still doing shopping and they're just behind me. मेरी जो हार्ट बीट्स है अभी भी normal है. God.